Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to install MongoDB Community Server and MongoDB Shell on Windows. So without any delay, let's get into it. Open your favorite web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome and search for MongoDB Community Server. Press enter. The first link is the official link to download MongoDB Community Server. Click on it. The link is mentioned in the description box. Now you will see the download page. Scroll down and you will see the MongoDB Community Server download heading. Scroll down. Now you will see the download button. Make sure the latest version is selected and choose the operating system accordingly. Here I am selecting Windows 64-bit and select the package as MSI. Once everything is set, click on the download. As you can see, the download has started successfully. I will see you once the download is completed successfully. As you can see, the setup is downloaded successfully. Click on the downloaded setup file and wait for a moment. Minimize the browser window. The setup wizard will pop up. Click on the next. Accept the agreement license. Click next. Now choose the setup type to complete as a beginner. Keep everything to default. You can change the service name. I am keeping it to default. This is the path for the data directory and this is the path for the log directory. Click on the next. Now it will ask if you want to install MongoDB Compass. It is basically a graphical user interface that allow user to visually interact with database and manage database without using command line queries. Check mark the option if you want to install MongoDB Compass and click on next. Now click on install. As you can see, the installation process has started. Wait for a moment. It will ask for admin permission. To continue, click yes. As you can see, the setup is installed successfully. Click on finish. Now we need to set up the environment variable. For that, we need to navigate to the MongoDB file bin location. First, open file manager. Open C drive and look for program files. Click on it. Now navigate to the MongoDB. Open it, then server, then 8.2 and at last select bin. Now we need to copy the bin path. Minimize the file manager. Now open search bar and search for environment variable. You will see edit the system environment variable. Click open. Navigate to the advanced section. Click on the environment variable. Now you will see two fields, user and the system variable. We need to find the path in the system variable. Double click on the path. Now to add the path in the environment variable, click on new. Here we need to paste the path that we copied and click on OK. Click OK and click OK. The environment variable has set up successfully. Now we need a place to write MongoDB queries. For that, we will download MongoDB Shell. Open browser and search for MongoDB Shell and click enter. The first link is the official link to download MongoDB Shell. Click on it The link is mentioned in the description box. You will see the MongoDB Shell download heading. Scroll down and you will see the download button. Before that, select the latest version and choose the operating system accordingly and select the package type as MSI and click on download. As you can see, the download has started successfully. Wait for a moment to complete the download. Once the setup is downloaded successfully, click on it, minimize the browser. The installation wizard will pop up. Click on next. I want to install MongoDB Shell for all users, so I will uncheck this option. This is the default path. You can change the path by clicking on change. I am keeping it to default. Click next. Then click install. It will ask for admin permission. Click on yes to continue. The installation has completed successfully. Click on finish. Once we have installed MongoDB and MongoDB Shell, we will check if they are installed successfully. Open command prompt and here type mongod -- version and press enter. It will list the version and other details. That means MongoDB is installed successfully. Now to start executing MongoDB queries, we will write mongosh and press enter. We are inside MongoDB shell. This is the area where we will write NoSQL queries. To see all the available databases, we will write show DBS. This will list all the available databases. Now we will create our own database. At the end of query, it is mandatory to add semicolon. As you can see, the testDB database is created successfully. Now we will create collection using and press enter. As you can see, we get the output as 1. That means our collection is created successfully. Now we will insert the values in the post collection that we have created. We need to insert values in key value pair. Press enter. As you can see, we have received the acknowledgement as true. That means the value is inserted into collection successfully. Now to see if collection and values are inserted successfully, we will use MongoDB Compass. In search bar, search for MongoDB Compass and press enter. This is the MongoDB Compass graphical user interface. This is the place where we will see the collection and the databases. Here you can see the connections. If there is no connection on your Compass, click on the add new connection. Here you can enter the custom URL or keep it to default. Name the connection as test. If you want, you can choose the color for the connection and then click on save and connect. Here you can see your connection is created successfully. In this connection, we will see all the available databases. We will click on the test database that we have created. Here we will see the post collection. Click on it and you can see the values that we have inserted in the post collection. From the Compass, you can create collection and add values to the collection. If you want completely free MongoDB tutorial, mention in the comment box. We will try to make it in future. That's it from the video. You have successfully installed MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Shell on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Install It Right for more installation tutorials. See you in the next one.